Hello, this is the demo for SBDB Store. You will see how you can create an account, browse cases, add case to cart, purchase cases, and download them. To create an account, move your mouse to the account icon on the top right corner and click Create an Account. You can choose to create an account with LinkedIn or fill out your email, password, and confirm your password. Once you're done, click Create an Account. Then you need to fill out your account info, your name, your role, organization type, organization name, department, which is optional, and then account license. There are two types of account license: private single-user license and organizational multi-user license. Choose whatever fits you. Then check I have read and agreed to the terms of service, and once you're done, click Save. Once you have created an account, you can start purchasing cases. To browse cases, click on Cases in the navigation bar. On the right, you can see a list of cases, and on the left, you can see a list of filters like tags, medical condition type, medical conditions, and more. To view a case, click on its identifier. Here you can see the case details like its tags, diagnosis, case details, data files summary, medical description, which is locked before purchase, data files, and the download for the data files is locked before purchase. You can also add a dataset to cart by going to the top of the page and clicking Add to Cart. Another way to add a case to cart is going to the cases list and checking the box for the cases you want to add to cart. Then click Add to Cart at the bottom. Once you are ready to check out, click on the cart icon at the top right corner. Then click on Proceed to Checkout. In the checkout page, first you need to check on Agree on the terms of service, then click Next. Then you need to fill out your billing information, your first name, last name, company, street address, city, country, state, zip code, and phone number. Once you're done, click Save. Then click Next. Then you will see a summary of the cases you're buying. If it all looks good, click Pay and Confirm. Then you need to choose your payment method. Click Credit Card and enter your credit card info. Then, when you're all done, click Place Order. When order is placed successfully, you can go to the case page and see that the sections that were locked before are now unlocked. For example, Dataset 2. Medical description section was locked, now it's unlocked. And the same for the download for the data files. To download EEG files, click on the download link. If the EEG file is ready, it will be directly downloaded. If not, you will be sent an email with the download link for the file. To download DICOM images, click on Download, and it will directly download. You can also export a case. To do that, go to the top of the page and click Export. Then choose the type that you need.